here from kathyskutekreations. Today is the giveaway. Another giveaway from the Fort Worth Fabric Studio. You can see the dates that this is going to be. And this is the Valentine's quilt. So it starts on the 18th. Here's the, I'm going to make sure y'all can see it. Half the time I don't think I get close enough. So it's going to begin on January 18th. It's going to be going for 4 weeks. So it'll be the 23rd, the 30th, and the 6th. And it's called Nothing Sweeter. And the long arm up here at the top is the long arm service that the Fort Worth Fabric Studio uses. And so it's up to give away and go to a new home. Let me show you some of the fabrics. I got mine already pulled out here. So let me show you. So here's one of the first ones. And this actually has, every now and then there's words on here. And I'm going to see if I can get you to see that one right there where it says Sweet Tart. See that? And it's got True Love on that side there. Okay. There's a black. Here is a red with some pink hearts. And then we have the fabric that was white with the hearts. Now it's red with the white hearts, the one that has the wordings on it. And then this actually is so light that it looks like it's inside out, but it's not inside out. And that's roses. What's the matter? He on your bed? Huh? Sorry. And then here is dark red with the roses. And she's griping at him. I guess she wants both the beds down there. All right, let me hold this up a little bit more. It's got more activity going on. This is adorable. And I think it needs to go this way so you guys can see it. There you go. It's like little Valentine cards and hearts. It says, Chris Valentine was meant to send. Then it says, someone nice like you, someone I've been thinking of all the whole year through. That's one of the little cards right here. That's what that card said, which is the one that was on the front. Okay, and then we have some black and white stripes, which I love. And then we have probably the background because it's all white. Alrighty, in the comments below, let me know if you want this kit. Oh, let me get the size here so I can tell you how big it's going to be. So, like I said, it's going to go for 4 weeks. Oh my gosh, I thought the size was on there. Just 1 second. I don't see any size in the paperwork, so it's not written on here. And this works just like all the rest, where you'll get online on the Monday that it starts and you'll get your pattern printed out. But until I get some kind of notice that tells me how big it is, and I haven't gotten any paperwork on it. I just got this in the mail, so I thought I'd get this started. Y'all can tell me if you want the kit in the comments, and we'll try to get this out either Monday or Tuesday this week so that you'll have it on time to get started right along with everybody else. So like I said, let me know if you want it. Here's all the different fabrics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different. I'm going to guess this might be the binding. So that'd be 9 fabrics in the background. This is probably going to be one of those 36 by 36, but that's just strictly a guess. I'm not quite sure. It just won't be as big as our last one was. All right, everybody. Let me know if you want the kit, and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. And like I said, if you want the kit, make a comment. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I can't give you the kit if you're not a subscriber. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.